Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to look at a way that you can determine where you're going to get your links from. The question I get asked a lot is, what sort of link should I use? Where should I get my links from? Should I go to Fiverr and Legit and all these other places? And to be fair, no, you don't want to go to Fiverr or Legit, not unless you want your site blasting into the nether regions of nowhere. As with your content, one of the best ways to find out what links you need is to look at what's ranking. Okay, so the easiest way to do it is to just simply have a look, see what's ranking, and you can then get some idea of what type of links your competitors have, and therefore if you can match their links, it should match and help your site. The first links you need on any site is your citations, and then once you've got your citations, you want to have some social properties, and then once you've got all them what you normally get, then you can have a look and think, right, okay, which ones have I not got what my competitors have got, and then address that. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So let's have a look here, and let's go for pest control water. Okay, so we'll go there. I'll hit that. I'll just scroll down a bit. I don't want to be in Manchester. That's also. So what you saw us do there, I've already done a video for that. And that's basically to change the location. And that's this little plugin up here, location guard, change geolocation, I think it's now called. Yeah, change geolocation. And that will help. But there's a video on my site which shows you how to set that up and how to get that. So I can now quite happily look in Clearwater, even though like I'm sat in Wakefield in UK. Now, once you've done that, you need another little extension, and it's this one, and it's called Link Gopher. And what it does is you simply click on it and do extract all links. And basically get all of the links that's on that page. Now ignore the top ones and come down to these ones here and just pull them off. And then let's have a text pad open. Let's just drag it across. And then all you do is you drop them into there. So now I've got all of the links that's on there. Now obviously there's more than 10 there, and because you got some rubbishy ones in. So we don't want support.google, so we'll get rid of that one. I'll just zoom in a bit so you can actually see, guys. So we didn't want that support.google. We don't want that. We don't want hrefs, but we do want drive-by exterminators. We don't want Google. We don't want keywords. Everybody don't want Yelp. Now maps.google, somebody could be on that, so we'll have that. Well, no, we don't want maps.google because we want our actual. I'm not going to take my site. I'm not going to take Google. Don't want Angie. Anti-pesto, we want that. I don't want consumer affairs. Don't want expertise. Don't want Forbes. Don't want them. So you strip all these out, what you don't want. Massive services, Orkin, yes, and get rid of Yelp. So we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've now got 8 sites. Okay, let's just take these off. Just make them tidier. Make these for me. So we've got 8 sites. So now what we want to do to determine what these guys have got for links is basically take them and we go over to our search again, and in here we paste them in, but this time I'm going to paste the URL inside a quote. But then what I'm going to do is do minus, need a space, minus in URL, colon, put my quote up again, and put the name in again. Now what that's going to do, it's going to find any website which has got prohealthpestcontrol.com in it, but not its own site. So if it's got that URL on, it's not going to find it. So all you do, hit return. And there we go, got 415 results. This only shows like sort of 9. So if we want to actually see all 415, then basically we go to settings, click on it, see all settings, and then drop that across to 100. Then come down and save it. Now when you do this, now for some reason we've gone down to 47 results, but we've got all 47 results on there now. So when we've done that, we're going to go to link gopher again, hit link gopher, extract all links, ignore all them at the top, and pull all them in. So we've got all them. Go back to our text file, and we know that this is all the ones for health pest control. Now I would probably put these into a Google Sheet, something like that, so I can sort them out. Because things like ahs.com is wrong. We've got up there, because it does look to be more than 47 on this one. Like keywords everywhere. So you have to go through them and pull the ones out which are like Google.co.uk, things like that. So you ended up with just your 47 what it said. Then what you've got to do, obviously, is go through and do this one. We take aim, we do that, put that in there, put that in there, and do search. We've now got 32 for this guy, so we do link gopher, extract, scroll down to the bottom. Where's my text file gone? Scroll to the bottom of here. And then we're going to do that for each one of the sites. So we've got all of them. I've done 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sites. We're going to do that 8 times basically till we get a huge list of all of these links. And then what we have to do is to take these, obviously, like I say, in a spreadsheet, then format them so that basically we can have a look at them and see if there's any duplicates, get rid of the duplicates, and then see how many, which one's the most popular one, like that. And then once we've done all that, we can actually give them away to our V8 and say, crack on and do them for us. But there is an easier way. You've still got to do the first part, where you go, where you put your water. You put so you put your clear water in. You've still got to do your first part when you do that, and do your link gopher, then pull the contents out, put them into here, and get these. So now you have these. This is where the speed happens, because now what you do is you jump over to here and you go to Citations Scanner. This is MPP Toolbox. You can get a free account with it, but obviously you don't get all of the goodies with the free account. But once you just come into this, you log in, and you go into Citations Scanner, and basically you drop in your 9 or 8 files. That's got a screen and then get rid of that. So you drop in your files. You can do a max of 10 URLs at one time. You start doing over 10, it starts getting slow. There's like 8 there. So then you just hit the start search. And basically this goes away and does exactly what I've just done. It's going to go away, it's going to find them, and then it's going to come back with the result. And there it does, comes back with the result. And as you can see, it's sorted them all out for you. So you've got books.google.uk. It's got 25, so it's been used 25 times. Facebook.com is being used here. So every one of them's got a Facebook. Every one of them's got a BBB. Every one of them's got a Zoom Info. Everyone's got a Nextdoor. One of them hasn't got a YouTube or an Indeed. And 6 have got LinkedIn, Orbis. So straight away, you can see what are the top ones, what everybody on page 1 is using. And you can think, if I haven't got a Twitter, it might be an idea to get one. If I haven't got an Instagram, it might be an idea to get one. If I haven't got a Nextdoor, it might be an idea to get one. And then all you do is you come down here, you've got all these so you can actually have a look at them if you wanted to. Like if we want to have a look at these guys. Drive-by exterminators. There's a Yelp listing. Now, if you want to have a look at any of the others, you've got them all there. Then what you can do is you can download it. Click download. It gives you a file. You save that file. I can't remember which one it was. Download again. I'll take a note of the name this time. FBFD. That one. Okay, so I just open that. I'll zoom in. Oh, I hit the wrong key again. Just zoom in there, you've got all of the files, which goes all the way down to there. And a nice text file for you. So again, you can just drop this over to your guys, your VAs to do, or you can do them yourself if you're on a budget. And then again, it's got all of the stuff for each of them. So that just makes it nice and simple and a lot less time consuming than doing it the old way that I used to do it. But like I said, at books.google.co.uk. SWATexterminating.com. Antipesto.com. I wonder how they're getting in there. Antipesto.com's twice. Looks like he's 3 times. 4 times. He's a greedy devil, isn't he? And Hughes is in as well. Have to have some investigating doing on that one. But that is a nice, simple, and easy way to find out what links your competitors have. And then you can have a look. How can I get these links? Get them yourself. And obviously, if you get the same links as them or better or like sort of more links than them, you're going to rank better. Okay, guys. Hope that was useful. Catch you on the next video. Bye.